Hey guys, this week we're just going to run you through a few updates on the car that we've done. So just a few quick updates on what we've been doing with the car. We've recently had the Bundertech tent wrapped. Had it wrapped in a gloss black vinyl with just a few of our logos on it. So we wanted to get the tent wrapped. We weren't really happy with the look of the powder coated white. It was mainly just because there's a lot of different shades of white and it looked quite different next to the car. Also, it seemed to look a bit bulkier being a bright colour like white. When we had it wrapped black, we were really happy with how it looked, a lot more sort of slim or less bulky on the roof. We had a guy in Lismore do it for us. He was really good. His business called Wrapped Signs. He did a really good job on it. We're really happy with the quality of it. So as you've seen in a previous video, we fitted the Recaro seats into the car. We still haven't got them wired up because I'm waiting just to do a fair bit of wiring at one time. But I've gone and found matching trim, like the material used on the Recaro seats. So we're going to have the door cards retrimmed just to sort of match in with the new seats, a new leather gear boot and stuff like that. Just a few things we found when we pulled everything out to lay the new carpet. Just a few things were sort of pretty worn, being a 26-year-old car. We just wanted to freshen everything up now, because with new carpet, new seats, we just wanted everything to sort of match and, you know, be nice and new and not all worn out. Sort of start fresh with the whole interior. We're waiting to get the seats wired in just because I like to get a few things done at once. Having the car at the auto electrician, it's just easier to get a few things done at one time. So we're going to get the seats wired in, new UHF hooked up. We've got a second UHF now, just for on trips. I like being able to have one with the other cars that we're traveling with and one still on the highway channel, just to keep an ear out if there's anything we need to know. Also, we still need to actually get the tent hardwired to the car. At the moment, we're just using an Anderson extension lead to lift and lower it. So I want to get that actually hardwired in. So apart from that, another thing we're planning on doing is we're going to add hoops on the bull bar and maybe scrub rails. So with the new UHF we've bought, that's going to make it a lot easier to mount the two aerials. We've also got a FM radio aerial because the standard one in the car is not all that good, so this will just be a better antenna for reception on the radio. We are looking at changing one of the swingways on the rear bar, doing a fairly custom job on that, but I'll let you know more about that once we get a few things sorted out. But it's just to sort of get a bit better organisation and use out of the rear bar. And the other big thing, we've just got 5 new tyres. These ones have still got plenty of tread on them, but we're just wanting, I like to sort of get a fresh set before you wear them down to absolutely nothing. So what we'll end up doing is just selling these ones off the car and putting the new tyres onto these rims. Just give these ones a good go and see how they compare to the Maxxis Bighorns that we're using now. Thanks for watching this week, guys. We'll see you next Friday.